Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove an app from app library. So example, if I just hold this Instagram application and here is the option is the top remove app. I will just tap on it. So there are two options. Number one is that remove from home screen will keep the app in your app library. So if you just tap on the delete application from the permanently, so it will be just remove an app from your app library also. So this is your app library and make sure you will be just set the one thing settings. Open the settings, just finding the screen time and just finding scroll down content privacy restrictions. Just tap on iTunes App Store purchases, and the second option is deleting apps. So make sure you will just have to allow all these deleting apps. Otherwise if you don't allow it, so it will be just can't show you the permanent delete option. I will just tap to remove it. So I will again just hold it and just tap on it remove app, and there is only option remove from home screen, not deleted permanently. So make sure you will be just set the allow setting as well, like this. Now you will be have to just hold it and just tap on it once. Again you will just have to refresh it, again hold it, just tap on it. So there is the option delete app. So once you will just delete this app permanently, it will remove an app from app library also. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.